Hi friends, Hemant this side. Let's start with awareness meditation. Close your eyes. Sit in a upright but relaxed position. Be comfortable. Sit in a comfortable position, whatever you feel. Take a deep breath in. Breathe it out slowly. Take a one more deep breath in. Breathe out slowly. One deep breath in. Breathe out slowly. Feel the difference inside your body. Now take two deep breaths in. And exhale two deep breaths out. Breathe twice inside first. Hold it. And then breathe out slowly in two phases. Again, breathe in twice. Hold it. Breathe out slowly into phases. Now, when you are breathing in, breathe in such a way that when you take a deep breath in from your nostrils and your stomach coming out, when you breathe out, stomach goes in and you exhale through your mouth. Breathe in. Feel the stomach coming out. Breathe out. Feel the stomach going inside. When you're breathing in, feel how the air is passing through the nostril, through the throat, through the upper part of chest, lower part of chest, and stomach. While breathing it out, feel how the air is passing reverse way outside. Feel the pass of air in and out. Just being aware of your breathing, being aware of the air passing in and passing out. Just feel it. Feel the calmness. Feel the coolness inside your body. Being aware of your body, however it is, just being aware of it. Just feel it. There may be a pain, there may be a stretch, strain. Just feel it. Watch it in neutral way. Watch your mind. What thoughts are coming in, and just watch them going on. What emotions you are being carrying with since long from yesterday, even for today. Just watch them. Don't get associated with them. While being aware of your body and emotions and thoughts, and while being in an awareness state, observe that when you're breathing out the negative emotions and thoughts out. And when you're breathing in, taking the positive beliefs and emotions inside. So when you breathe out all the limits, whatever you have. And breathe in the bountiful, unlimited inside. When you breathe out all the fear, whatever you have. And breathe in the courage inside. When you breathe out, now feel all the stress is going out. And a serene calmness is getting stabilized with the breathing. Yeah. Now, while you breathe out, feel the anger coming out of your body. See how all the heat is coming out of your body. Internal peace is coming inside. Observe how hatredness is coming outside while you breathe out. And while you breathe in, take the love inside. When you breathe out, Observe the grief and sadness coming up. Taking in the joy inside. While you breathing out, exhale the scarcity and take the unlimited abundance inside. While you exhale the boredom and inhale the creation inside. So while you being aware of your exhaling and inhaling emotions, just observe and being aware of your thoughts. Just observe them and feel the calmness inside. And do this meditation regularly, at least for 5 minutes. Take a deep breath in, breathe out. And once you feel comfortable, being aware of yourself, slowly, you can open your eyes. Thank you.